I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Goodnotes Planner. We'll dive into the core functionalities of both applications to help you decide which one best fits your planning style. Notion offers a highly customizable workspace for notes, tasks, and databases, while Goodnotes provides a dedicated, intuitive environment for digital handwriting and PDF annotation. Let's explore their strengths and see which platform aligns with your organizational preferences for effective planning. Notion truly shines with its powerful database capabilities, allowing you to build incredibly customized planning systems. Imagine creating a database for all your tasks, another for projects, and even one for habit tracking, all interconnected. This flexibility means you can design a planner that perfectly suits your unique workflow, from managing daily to-dos to outlining ambitious, long-term goals. It's a comprehensive solution for those who love to build and customize. Goodnotes offers an unparalleled digital handwriting experience, making it feel incredibly natural to write directly on your device. This is fantastic for those who love the tactile feel of pen and paper, but with all the benefits of digital. You can easily import and annotate PDF planner templates, transforming them into interactive tools. Its straightforward interface is perfect for quick notes, visual brainstorming, and journaling, providing a seamless and enjoyable planning environment. So, which one is right for you? If you thrive on building intricate, interconnected systems for every facet of your life, Notion's customization and database power will be invaluable. However, if you cherish the feel of handwriting, enjoy using pre-designed digital planners, and prioritize a natural, paper-like experience, Goodnotes is likely your best bet. Consider your daily habits and how you prefer to interact with your plans to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.